Let's talk about 5 downsides to working with a full service rental real estate provider. Because, working with a full service provider is a great way, absolutely a great way to build a real estate portfolio and generate cash flow. However, this type of investing is not for everyone. And today I'm going to tell you exactly why that is. See, when you invest, it's important that you make the most informed decision possible. And today I'm going to share 5 big disadvantages of working with a full service provider so you can determine if it's a right fit for you. It's not for everybody. So number 1, full service investing is a hands-off approach. Now, this can be a great thing or a bad thing, depending on your personality type. But if you're the kind of person, who wants to control the entire process, pick out paint colors and cabinets and hiring contractors and going to the Home Depot and looking for grout, or you're the type of person that loves those HGTV shows, the fix or flop shows, and you think, I'm going to do this. I want to be out there every weekend as a weekend warrior, getting my hands dirty, dealing with contractors. Like, that's what I want to do. I'm going to quit my job and do that full time, because it is really a full-time job. Then, and I really mean this, investing with a full-service company is not a good fit for you. If you prefer to be on-site managing everything, then you probably should find a local property in your backyard that you can buy and then go through like the micromanagement process. Very, very important that you don't then hand that off to somebody else. It's just not in your personality, and you're going to be disappointed. Number 2, you have homework. When you book a call with my team, we're going to give you some assignments. And so if you don't like homework, you don't like understanding what your freedom cheat sheet, your freedom number looks like, or your goals, like if you don't want to take the time to put pen down on paper and draw out your purpose-driven goals, we have a purpose-driven goals worksheet, that's probably not going to be a fit, because we want to be able to sit down and work with a person who is going to put the time, attention, and energy into setting goals and doing the work and seeing where this path and their family is going to lead. And if you don't have the time to sit down and open a spreadsheet, to fill out a worksheet, then working with our company is not going to be a fit for you. Number 3 on our list, there's no inventory list. So, if you are the type of person who literally just wants to see houses, you do not want to develop a relationship, you're not interested in setting long-term goals, then you're going to be disappointed, because we don't have an inventory list. When you work with our company, you're not just shopping for a rental property. Our business model is all about understanding your goals and then matching you with a property that will help you reach those goals. So there's no inventory list like we just hand out. Here you go. Here's a flyer. Take a look at it. Because we don't believe that buying a rental property should be like ordering off a menu. Number 4 on my list is limited market availability. Now, we are incredibly particular about market research. We only invest in real estate markets that we've heavily vetted and meet all of our criteria. So if you want to invest in a certain market, or you are looking for properties closer to your backyard, then working with a full service real estate provider is probably not the right fit for you. We only invest in some of the best, most recession resistant markets in the country. And we've analyzed for high job growth, low crime, low vacancy rates. Are there multiple Fortune 500 companies moving to that area? What do the property taxes look like? What is the property management situation going to be for us as we develop relationships in our different markets? And so we get questions all the time like, hey, do you guys, do you have any properties in St. Louis? Or do you have any? And the answer is no. And if that's something that you're only interested in those particular markets, then that's something that you should probably do on your own. So again, we are in certain markets that we've vetted and spent a lot of time, and that's why we are in those markets. Number 5 on my list, it's not transactional. What I mean by that is that we're all about building relationships. So if you're trying to quickly buy a property and then go your merry way, again, this is probably not a good fit for you to work with a full service rental real estate company. There are like turnkey providers out there where you can just buy a property and then you're out of the picture, right? They're just going to hand you the keys. And then if a year from now there's an issue or you've got to deal with a certain situation, they're gone. We, on the other hand, want to develop a very long-term relationship with you. That's, again, why we have you fill out your purpose-driven goals worksheet, your freedom cheat sheet, so we understand how many rental properties it will take for you to achieve financial freedom. We want to know all of those things. We're going to want to follow up with you monthly, see how you're doing. How's your portfolio looking? If you're not looking to build a long-term relationship, then working with our company isn't going to work for you. So these are just 5 reasons, 5 things that I think are downsides to working with a full service rental real estate company. Some people are shy. They don't want to talk on the phone. Fine, then this probably isn't for you. Some people don't want to do the homework to map out their financial future. Fine, this probably isn't for you. And some people are micromanagers and want to have their hands in paint colors and grout and tile and all of those things. Fine, then this is probably not for you. I'd love for you to check out the other videos in our series. Check out this video right here to my left. And if you're interested in working with a full service rental real estate company that will actually make you do some homework, then book a call with our team. The link is below to call us at Morris Invest. We'll see you next time.